Yo guys, what is going on? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Welcome back to the live streams. I haven't streamed for over a week now. It's been insane, but to catch you guys up just in case you didn't know what was going on, because maybe you don't follow me on social media or anything like that, you only follow me on here. I wasn't feeling too good last week, mentally. Like, I don't know, I'm not going to go into details, but I wasn't feeling it at all, and I was just, I don't know, it's hard, it's like, I can't even explain it, like, it's just, I can't even, like, you have to experience it to just know what it's like. If you don't know, you know, if you don't have, you know, anxiety or depression, it's just like, it's impossible to, like, understand why somebody does it, because it just, even to me, it doesn't make sense, but, you know, it happens. But welcome back, everybody. We're doing CUBG development today, but on top of that as well, I do have something to talk about because I am actually really considering. Sorry, I am still a little bit sick as well. Like, I've just got a cough still, which is really weird. Like, I don't really have a sniffy nose anymore, but I'm still a little bit sick. But I do have something I want to talk about today, and if you follow me on Twitter you would have seen it, because I am actually highly considering it, for many reasons, and I'll get to it soon. Can we get some stream hype in the chat? Let's get some hype. I'm back, everybody. Can we get some hype in the chat? Hype in the chat. Wait, what's this? You don't feel like doing it? What? I don't know what you're talking about, dude. I lost my phone. What happened to it? Yeet! Don't change your Twitch, the whole sponsor thing will be ruined. I can address that, Jackson, don't worry. I can address that, don't worry. Because if I'm going to switch to Twitch, if I switch to Twitch, I can actually get, maybe partnered instantly. So, we'll have to see how it goes. I might be able to get partnered instantly, which would be pretty cool. So the whole sponsor thing wouldn't be ruined as such, but I can see, like, somebody said, like, you can actually adjust the sponsor level. Oh no, sorry, you can adjust, like, the level of a user. I don't know, someone said that, so, like, people could keep their streaks in a way, but I don't know if that's possible. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to switch over to the correct project so you guys don't see that it's on the wrong project. But, yeah, I won't talk about Twitch yet, but I'll talk about it in a second here. Let's go over to the programming right now. Let's go, Dev Live. But then we'll have to pay again. You won't have to pay again. You just have to pay normally. I mean, you'll most likely have to start again, but there is, like, I don't want to talk about it now. We'll talk about it afterwards. The gift from the modern TV isn't working for me. I think I'm doing it wrong. They can't be bigger than 2 megabytes. I should mention that. They can't be bigger than 2 megabytes. Otherwise, they won't load. But I am planning to make that a little bit more of a friendly user experience, because right now, it doesn't really tell you anything about it, so I have to fix it up. Use Twitch and YouTube? I can't do that. I don't want to do that anyway. It's like, nobody does that, to be honest. Unless they're like a big, you know, a big company just wanting to broadcast, you know, maybe like an event or something like that. But usually they get sponsored and us, like, platform exclusive. Nobody I know streams on both at the same time. Like, I'll still be using, like, just so you guys know, I would still be using this channel. I'll still be using my main channel. It will just be, like, something over on Twitch, you know? So, Plus, like, okay, as well, like, live streaming on, like, I've always found, like, live streaming on YouTube, not just my channel, but, like, everybody else's channel as well. Like, people that watch YouTube don't understand live streaming as much as, you know, Twitch, which is dedicated to live streaming, and people over there, you know, go to Twitch purely for live streaming, so they understand live streams, like, and I always feel like the vibe over there has always been a lot better, even though I've been streaming on YouTube for a very long time. I always feel like the vibe is a lot better over on Twitch for live streaming. And I partly blame that on YouTube because they really have not done anything to make live streaming good on YouTube. Like, I don't understand. Like, it's just YouTube gaming, crap. Nobody goes to YouTube gaming. Like, I feel like one thing that I've said in my streams before is, like, why not when I go to my channel, you know, when I go to my channel, why not display the live stream that's currently happening? Like, if somebody was to go to my channel, why not show the live stream that is currently live? If you switch over, could I be moderator? Yeah. Anybody that's got moderator, I'd probably pop over to moderator on there as well. But I'd also have Nightbot as well, most likely, and try and configure it up so it's nice, because I think it's like, it works better for like Twitch. There's a lot of applications out. There's more applications out there for Twitch than YouTube streaming, because like Twitch was kind of first to do it. So they're kind of Twitch is kind of the leaders in terms of live streaming. YouTube's the leaders in terms of videos. Use Streamlabs what? Is it good? That's what Lynn uses? Okay. We'll have a look into it. Yeah, I'm like very unfamiliar with a lot of live streaming stuff, so we'll have to look into it. Is programming a hobby, or do you program as a job too? It's a bit of both. Like, I mean, I do program, like, a lot of the stuff that I do in here translates into stuff that I do on my main channel, so I guess you could count it as, like, you know, being my kind of what I do, so kind of like my job almost. But I really enjoy doing it. Like, I couldn't ask for anything better. I wouldn't want to do anything else. Like, programming's super fun. Like, I love doing this. I love hanging out with you guys. I love programming at the same time. Like I think, like, this is like nobody, like, this is not a thing. Like, who would have thought, like, you know, you'd be doing like live streams where you're programming and you're like entertaining at the same time. Like, that's like an impossible, like, a medium that nobody ever thought of. It's a medium that nobody ever thought of. So it's really weird when you actually really think about it. Like, I'm live streaming, programming, and like making it entertaining at the same time. So it's kind of interesting. Which time zone do you live in? Australian Central Standard Time or Daylight Time? I don't know which one it is right now. I never understand daylight savings. It's kind of annoying, but I'm used to it now. But would you share your whole world with us? I've got something coming soon. I was most likely going to release it tonight. Look on my main channel for it. It's going to be pretty cool. It's kind of going to be my map, but kind of not. So look out for that. Did you see my PMs on everything new in CUBG? I did look at them. I haven't replied yet, but it's looking good so far. I like it. One thing I could critique is the main menu player model just being like dead boom in the center. But besides that, I like it all. I feel like that should be like maybe over here, or like behind the actual overlay bit, but that's just me. Yeah, if you guys want to know, new main menu for CUBG, which is really awesome. Oh yeah, because we're doing CUBG, so it's alright to showcase some of the new features. I agree, daylight savings is annoying. Yeah, it definitely is. Do more mod showcase. Yeah, I want to try and do like, I want to bring back like mod Mondays. I think that would be good. New corners. Wait, what's that? New corners. Snap that like button. What does that mean? Alrighty. So I'm trying to figure out where I was up to here because I don't know exactly where I was. Let's get rid of that. CUBG editions. There it is. So it looks like I was adding in a command. Edit loot chests. Oh, I should probably get rid of that. Get rid of that there. Because that's not supposed to be there. Hey Cray, what's the name of your CUBG map? You probably have to speak to Jackson about that. I'm not sure exactly what the name is, but there is a name. That's me too. Yeah, I see where you're coming from. Programming is all I do as well, and like you, wish to make something out of it as well. Definitely can, dude. Programming is still a highly sought after skill, I would say. So get into it now while you can. Nah. I still feel like it's going to be that type of job that, you know, only like certain people will do. Like, I still feel like people just won't get into programming just because it's a job. Like, you actually have to be interested in it. It's like, not everybody becomes a doctor, you know, type thing. It's not easy to become a doctor. You can't download the actual CUBG map, but you can download the map we used as a base. Yeah. I think that's what they're meaning. Alright, let me go ahead and get some music on as well, because I had like one song on just for the intro, for the comeback of my live streams. Oh yeah, one thing about maybe if you live streamed over at Twitch as well. If we live streamed over at Twitch, I can actually play. Oh, kind of. Like, I think technically it's still technically not legal, but like everybody on Twitch does it, is like actually play copyright music. Yeah, like kind of like less music restrictions. So it's technically you're still not supposed to do it, because it's like, let's say you're playing music from Spotify and then you're streaming it as well. Like, that's like technically against the Spotify's user agreement, you know. Yeah, I know. It's exactly the same what YouTube, kind of what YouTube does, but yeah. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Because you can remove it from YouTube. So, but yeah, it'll be cool because we'll be able to play like music that I actually listen to all the time, like that I listen to. Because a lot of stuff that I play on here, like, you know, you guys already know all these songs. There's no copyright sound. But like, this is all the music we listen to. Like, I could be listening to new stuff right now. I could be listening to the songs that I actually listen to, but I just can't play it because they're so copyright. So that would be a cool thing. Are you copy PUBG? Well, we're taking we're not copying PUBG. Like, we're not just going like, hey, let's do PUBG and put it into Minecraft. Like, we are doing a battle royale, but we're taking all these kind of cool aspects of all different types of battle royales and putting it into one. So there's a lot of influence from Fortnite, and there's a lot of influence from PUBG. Obviously, like with CUBG, the logo, that's kind of just like a spin-off of PUBG. But like, we're not just like, if you play CUBG, you'll feel like it's more so like Fortnite rather than it'll feel like more like Fortnite rather than PUBG. But it's not like, you know, we're copying PUBG type thing. It's just more so battle royale game mode and taking all the cool you know, the cool aspects of all the games and putting it into like Minecraft. And there's also like, we also have our own features. We have our own features as well. So a lot of like cool, wait, what's going on? Like, trying to think. Like, we have different weapons. We have, let's think of something unique. we have a lot of vehicle options. I guess that's one. We have a lot of vehicle options. That's one thing like a lot of the games don't have. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right. Let me try and think where I'm trying to think what we're doing. Have I registered this at all? No. Hold on. I was gonna figure out Forge World saved data. I don't think it needs to be registered. Registration and usage. So yeah, it doesn't even need to be registered. Well, it does already, but like that's it. Loot chest manager. Okay. So I'm thinking like so block loot chest. What the fudge? What does this need? Loot chest. That won't work. Discovered a bug. You always need, like for tile entities, you always need an empty constructor. Alright, so we need like a loot chest instance. Generate chests. Block loot chest. I guess it don't need to like, we can just use the default. We don't need to actually specify. How does that work? Oh no, because if we, yeah, okay, it's all good. I was just kind of confused on this. Should work fine. Oh, where's my chat gone? Hey Cray, the download of the tools on your website does not work. Yeah, I know. I gotta do it. I just been putting it off. Planes, none has that. Yeah, pretty much. I think the planes aren't. We still haven't implemented planes in yet because it's kind of glitched, and I think it's just because of Sponge, to be honest. Sponge is just. I don't know. I think it's something to do with it not being registered in order. But can you put a feature on the modern TV instead of GIFs do videos? No, sorry. You don't understand the difficulty and the complexity of displaying videos. It's not like a simple play video, display here. There's libraries and everything, and I personally don't know how to do it. Like video decoding. Video decoding is one of the most difficult things ever. It's not gonna happen, by the way. I like the new Cray because HD does CUBG. What do you mean? Can you put a feature? No, I've already read that. Only 10 people watch this live stream. Yeah, I know. Exactly. YouTube just doesn't. YouTube. This is again. This is kind of a reason why I'd like to switch to Twitch, because if I go to Twitch, right, they have a thing like a lot of things are based on categories. Whereas YouTube is like, the only way to discover me is if you discover my channel, happen to come over to my second channel, and then you see that I'm live. Or you see that I do live streams. Like, that's the only way you'll discover me. And I'm gonna guess everybody in this chat came from my main channel. Press 1 in the chat if you came from my main channel. If you randomly discovered me from something else, let me know. But I'm gonna guess everybody came from my main channel, and that's the only way I got discovered. Like on Twitch, you get discovered through categories. So people that are specifically looking for programming, they can easily find me. If people are looking for programming on YouTube, they're not going to look there anyway. A lot of people pressing from one. I came from the CUBG announcements. But I mean, like, you discovered my channel first from my main channel. I'm going to say that instead. I've been subscribed to your main for 3 years. But yeah, see, like, you see that, like, nobody will discover my channel because it just doesn't. There's no sort of exposure at all. Like, you go to YouTube, you type in programming. It's not gonna no sort of exposure at all. Whoopsie. If you type in programming in YouTube, what's gonna come up? Nothing. And nobody's, and YouTube gaming. It doesn't make sense to go to YouTube gaming to find programming. So like, I'm literally hidden right now. I feel like this programming thing would grow so much more on Twitch rather than YouTube, because. So yeah. But like, basically, I'd still be doing everything that I do on this channel. I'd be doing on Twitch, like Vehicle Wednesday, Furniture Friday, and I'm gonna try and. My sleeping schedule at the moment's not too good. That's why the stream's kind of late. I miss old Cray because I don't know why, but I miss old Cray. You're having nostalgia, my dude. It's like playing an old game and being like, I don't enjoy this as much as I did when I was younger. That's what you're feeling. It's called CUBG makes new Cray better. Like there's so many games that I remember like playing as a kid that I really enjoyed. I'm like, oh, I wish I was that person. I wish I enjoyed that game like I did before. At a Jeep. You just said you missed the old Cray. Nah. Maybe we'll see. A four-wheel drive or something. Definitely want to add like a four-wheel drive car or something. That'd be cool. Four-wheel drive. Okay. If placer. Loot chest manager. Loot chests, generate chests, set editing. Add. We didn't add like an ad. Public. I don't think I need that set visible. I think I just need a public void add. Block pos. So loot chest dot put. Only thing with that, can we convert that to like a we'll need to be able to do public void right to tag. I would also need to do a public void. Maybe we'll just do another constructor called loot chest. Maybe like public void from tag. Yeah, I'll do tag compound. Yesterday my dream is Crayfish and Corrales played together and make a big town. Bada bing, bada boom. Is that right, okay? Bada bing, bada boom. You're the best YouTuber ever. Thank you, Lena. Head to hospital for X. I don't know, like what it. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm sorry, Mr. Crayfish. I also did search for programming and nothing popped up. Exactly. Like, tags don't even matter anymore. Like, the search results on YouTube are going to be the trending programming videos. It's not going to put mine up there at all. Like, how many people are watching now? How many people are watching? What do we peak at? Peaked at 27? We peaked at 27. We're now down to 11. People came, people saw that I'm programming and left. Because they're clearly not interested. That's why... I mean, CUBG, yeah. Like, when I do my furniture live streams, it's a little bit different. But, like, still. I feel like Twitch is going to be... It's going to feel more professional, in my opinion, for it. It's going to feel more professional. Oops. There's Twitch. It's gonna feel more professional. It's gonna feel like we're gonna have people, like, imagine this, like, we're actually gonna have people that are gonna discover my channel and actually be interested in programming. Like, I'm sure, like, some of you guys don't even know about programming. Like, you just watch because it's entertaining. Like, press 1 in the chat if you don't know programming at all and you're just watching because it's fun. This is kind of like you're making a game, Mr. Crayfish. Kind of. I'm making a Minecraft mod, but still the same thing. Get me real numbers, not fake ones. See, like, a lot of people press on 1. But the thing is, we'll have actual people that are going to come into the stream and actually be... You know, they could be completely random, never seen them before. Like, I rarely see that happen in this. Like, people say they'll come from my main channel, but, like, they'll know about me beforehand. If we ever streamed on Twitch, people are going to join in my channel and, like, they're not going to know about me at all. And they're going to join in. Like, that's going to be the big difference, and that's going to be cool. This is kind of like you're making it... I wrote that. The map is all dedicated to you about your journey. What? So yeah, if you guys don't know, I might be switching to Twitch. We'll see how it goes. I just feel like it's going to be better because I've just felt like YouTube... It's good. Like, I like the YouTube thing, but, like, it's just... It's very bad for discovery. Nobody ever discovers this stream. Like, I want it to be a place to hang out. But, like, everybody that goes on YouTube is just hungry for the best content. Like, they're looking for a high straight away. Like, live streaming is such a more of a relaxed type of entertainment. Like, the highs come over time. Like, there'll be points in a live stream where there's, like, you know, that's sick, but it's always just waiting for it. And people just don't want that on YouTube. Like, I feel that's the audience of YouTube right now, and that's like ties into the YouTube algorithm now, whereas like where the most trending videos, the trending topic is the one that's going to get views. Like, Minecraft's still popular, but it's not what everybody's talking about right now. Like, there's a Minecraft is still popular, still has millions of sorry. Still has millions of players. But because it's not the trending thing everybody's talking about, and that's as well, like, I can vouch for that because a lot of kind of like videos on the new updates of Minecraft get lots of views because it's like the talking point. YouTube nowadays don't pay YouTubers that well. It's alright. I mean, it's keeping me. I'm still making a living from it, but Twitch has so much more customization. Yeah, true. That's again another reason why I'd like to switch to Twitch, because it's so much more evolved than YouTube's live streaming. There's so many more things you can do with it. You have Twitch teams, communities, like that'd be really cool. Like, imagine if we could like eventually, like, it'd be cool to have like a big programming community, like start a brand new one. But maybe there's already some existing ones. I don't know. Like, I don't know, like maybe Minecraft or just like Australian developers. Make a Twitch team and invite me, lol. You gotta be active. If you're not active, then I'm not gonna put you on a team. If that was gonna be the way. Like, if I'm gonna create like a team, it's gonna be people that are actually dedicated. Because I would like to have a good team. Like, there's so many things you can do with Twitch. So many more things. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Follow me on Twitter. I've got like, there's like something at the back of my like nose, and it's making me feel like my voice sounds different, doesn't it? It sounds different right now. What the heck? Oh, it's like blocking me. I can't even speak. How to send you map? I don't know, Twitter. Doesn't mean I don't know. I don't really play like maps that are sent to me, to be honest. Only if it's for like a certain thing, like when I did the skateboarding mod. I was like asking. I was like, I can't. It's a hold up. Give me 2 seconds. Oh god, holy shoot. Your stream is lagging? I don't know why! YouTube, like, what do you mean, like, do you mean there's a delay, or do you mean there's, like, audio delay? Stream is not lagging? Oh, you know, turn on your quality, because basically I've got super low latency option enabled, and what that means is that your internet connection actually has to be able to keep up with the live stream. But the trade-off is that I actually get near real-time interaction with you guys, so that's the difference. I think you have the 2019 flu. Not even 2019, you have the 2019 flu. Oh my god. And I've been counting days. So we're gonna do something like if doesn't equal to null. Then we'll say bum ba bum 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 bum. And we'll say sorry, we'll do set string what do we got next? Color. So tag compound dot set integer chest texture we'll say glowing and then we'll also we need to store the facing, so just to make sure facing doesn't equal to null, because it could. Facing doesn't equal to null, say tag compound set integer facing to see you again. I got fast internet and watching 1080p 60 without no buffering or lag. Exactly. Do you guys like? I feel like the quality of my streams is like improved so much in terms of quality. Like, I probably look HD if you're watching this on like 1080p. I like high quality, you can see me. Does everybody like the new furniture mod update? We are 8 seconds behind Mr. Crayfish. It's more like 5. Make it to where you can put the lights from your furniture mod into the ceiling fans. We'll see. Probably do the horizontal index. So say if tag compound has key. I'm always a big fan of this. Loot table. Then we'll say loot table's new resource location. Like my it's essentially that. I was like almost tempted to have a second coffee, but like once I have 2 coffees, like I start getting shaky. Start getting shaky. Can you put slow mode off, please? No, sorry. It encourages spamming if slow mod is off. If you like, it's 5 seconds. If you're writing another message within 5 seconds, you're essentially spamming. Like, each comment you make on this channel should be at least each comment that you make should at least be thought. It takes 5 seconds to probably write a message sometimes. Like, if you're not putting thought into your message, you're basically spamming. And if you think 5 seconds is too long, you have the shortest attention span in the world. Hence YouTube algorithm. Really hating on glowing dot because like, why do you need to speak to me within 5 seconds? Is this stream? Hey Ocelot, how you doing? Good to see ya. Do we have like a default? That'll be false already. Maybe we have like a default. Yeah, maybe like enum facing north or something. I just want to make sure that like, yeah, I should probably copy. What I'm going to do is get rid of this and use the loot chest as the storage for it. So I'm not like duplicating code. So I'll save tag compound has key facing. I'm going to school tomorrow, so I'm going to need to drop out pretty soon. That's alright, my dude. Thanks for coming along, though. If you don't know, Oscilla, I might be switching to Twitch. We have been discussing the perks in the stream so far of switching to Twitch and the features, because like Twitch is obviously a lot more evolved than YouTube live streaming. Oh, you know? Okay, cool. We need Sir Pickles, we miss him so much. He might be back. We'll see. You're clearly HD. I can see your bread, Cray. I can see your bread. Get. Re means I'll need to pay more $. It's still the same price, isn't it? Only like $4.99. Or was it $5.99? $3.99. Alright, so what we could do instead now is for here, we could basically get rid of that. I can say private loot chest. Loot chest. Ban the guy with that name. Can you show all your mods showed in one vid? Why would I do that? Add sensors to modern doors. Oh my god. Ugh. So where's this get loaded? I need to do like probably a copy. Maybe not. We don't need a copy actually. Say just that. Loot chest equals loot chest. And then we can say maybe if there any? There's no default, is there? Nah. Loot chest. So now all we need to do is read from NBT. We'll say loot chest equals new loot chest compound dot get compound tag loot chest. Do we actually need to do this? Yes, because we'll need to synchronize it to a client, so... Because like this will ultimately be controlled by the loot chest manager, but we still need to synchronize it. We could, yeah, like we don't have to technically send it. All we have to send is the color, and that's it. We'll say set tag we should also check here. Oh wait, I don't need to pay for subs on Twitch. I've got Twitch Prime. Yeah, exactly. You got Twitch. If you got Twitch Prime, if you got, is it Twitch Prime? Yeah, if you got Twitch Prime already, you got it. So I'm currently subbed to Lynn, so I have to wait a while. Maybe I will have to pay RIP. The saddest part would be the reset of the claws and even no claws. Also, I'll most likely be able to get I might be getting like partnership straight away. We'll see. Do you need to save the chest? Is the device mod stream on Netflix? Oh my god. I have to leave now, guys, so bye. See you later, Raphael. Mr. Cabbage, the modern TV won't play, but just one GIF. The microwave won't cook anything. The oven and washing machine and dishwasher, when running, says running. Oh. Running? Who did that? Are you sure? There's 9 people here, so it should be easier for moderators to moderate the chat without people being in the chat being crazy. What do you mean? Microwave only cooks beef and potatoes. Yeah, I know. I didn't want to make it cook everything. So get chest texture. Wait, where does this get used? Yeah, here, doesn't it? Okay. We should mark that as nullable. Sorry, not loot table, loot chest. Turn it. So we'll need to Set chest texture. You might have to create this as like a like be able to do that. I feel like and then we'll have like a blank one. So that will no longer be null. Just do that for safety. Say loot chest dot set O. Loot chest dot set chest texture. Set color. Get color. We'll leave it as that, and then we'll just boot chest set color. Windows 7 is better if the PC was built for it. For partner, you have to stream for 25 hours, stream on 12 different days and have an average of 75 viewers. You must meet those requirements all within 30-day range. Alright. We'll see how it goes. Cause yeah, I got a contact right now. So I'll ask about it. Happy to myself. Upgrading a Windows 10 usually slows down a PC made for Windows 7. I never heard of anybody creating a PC designed for a specific... Okay, I take that back. I never heard of somebody creating a PC designed for a specific Windows OS version. I'm creating my PC for Windows 7. Is that actually a difference? I did to myself. Do we have a way to say maybe we'll just get loot chest instead. I'm gonna say get loot chest like that instead. Get loot chest. I feel there's no point. And then we'll obviously just update this so it uses the Alright, there we go. Windows 7 is more like a PC, while Windows 10 is more like a tablet with most options covered up. Ah, yeah, it is. There's some annoying things about it, but I've found to look past it almost and not even touch anything that feels like a tablet. Windows 10 is not complicated. Just remove a bunch of this stuff. Sorry, is glowing. Just a loot chest. Set. Oh, we need to add some getters and setters. Set loot table. Is glowing. Set glowing. Reset facing. Set loot table. I'm going to try to get Twitch affiliate once I start streaming. It's pretty easy. Personally, I think I'll stick to Windows 7 Ultimate until I'm forced to switch to a newer version. Try out a MacBook or something. Might try out a MacBook or something. What? I have Mac OS X. Yeah, I don't think they sell it anymore. I might have to look on Amazon. What do you mean by that? Suppress warnings, no. I know you can do suppress warnings, but you don't just do that. For something like this, like, I know, like, there's, like, a thing, but this is like a Minecraft method. There's no point adding in these stupid tags. How to fix stuff, how to fix warnings. Suppress warnings. It doesn't get rid of the warning, it just hides it in the IDE. Now to fix bugs. Use the annotation. Fix bugs. Set color. Might have another one here. Why isn't like the... I just hate this about... Yeah, don't worry. How do you play CUBG? You download the pack, my dude. Alright, there we go. Let's just go build, rebuild, and find all the errors. Hey, Mr. Crayfish, did you happen to pick up on that other marketplace deal? Oh yeah, I haven't. Yeah, sorry, I haven't got back to you, my dude. I gotta get back to you soon. I've just been super. Last week I wasn't feeling too good. So I kind of just like pretty much had a break off of everything. But we'll see how it goes. I've just gotta figure out some things. Get color. Is that used anywhere? Alright, we need to get color, and we also need a public int get color. Is that possible? Didn't know it is. No, it's not. Damn it. Hold up. Wait, so what's the problem? Set color. Oopsie, so let's get. My Mac was around $1,000. I spent good money on it. Also, on your vehicle mod, you should add supercars like Lamborghini. No, I'm not. Sorry. We get our tech from HSN. I don't like it though because they have crappy computers. On the bright side, you can buy now and pay later. Flex pay. We have something like that here. Wait, so where's the errors happening? Also you get color, probably like get RGB color. And then we just need to convert it back to RGB. I did have a method inside of the tile entity to do that. Might have got rid of it. Get color, yeah, here. Memes confirmed virus. It's called just be safe while browsing. Like, there's already like virus protection built into Windows now. And really, it's just a matter up to safe browsing. Like, I haven't got a virus in forever. And I don't think I ever will, because I'm not silly enough to click on, hey, it says download free. Download free. No, free download. Download now. Free V-Bucks. Free V-Bucks, everybody. Must be real. Just give me your credit card details and free V-Bucks. The thing is, if you understand how these kind of like, you know, mostly like a virus would be like something, like it would be like clickbait. Like a virus is usually like, if it's an ad and it's clickbait, it's most likely a virus. Like if it says free download, free V-Bucks, sign up. Sign up and get free V-Bucks. Free Minecraft. If anything says free Minecraft, free V-Bucks, free Robux, free GTA installer. Alright, what's that? Let's rebuild. Alright, looks like to be all good. Yeah, there's all these warnings, don't worry about them. Free Minecraft. But like this, like if you, the #1 prevention from viruses is be smart when browsing. It's not hard to be smart when browsing. If something looks like, if something doesn't look right, don't click on it. If a website, if you feel like you're going to a website you've never been to before and it looks sus, don't go to it. Don't just click on a random link that somebody also gives you as well. Like, if somebody says, oh, here, go here. Go here for free V-Bucks. Don't just click on it. Because by that time, let's say what type of website it is, probably already somehow... I mean, it's impossible to download it, like... okay, I don't want to say it too well, but like... Just clicking on any like old link won't give you a virus, but like it can give the person the like let's say you click on a link, it can give that person your IP. It can give, clicking on a link will give the server your IP. Looking PMs, it's CUBG related and it can be shown on stream. Oh my god, what the heck? We have the claw, my dudes. Also, I see you got the new vehicle mod update too as well. I definitely have to check out all the latest updates. So much stuff. Oh my god, what's this? Oh my god. Someone has like 1 billion gifts running. But yeah, there's rules with Twitch that aren't as like, that are a lot more strict. So, I mean, it's easier to stay within them, but the rules on Twitch are like, there's some rules that are more strict on Twitch than YouTube, but I'm pretty sure I fall under them anyway, so it's fine. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, so now that we've done that, basically we need to say when we maybe place down the block, we register it. So we'll do something like maybe as well. Make sure it's server side. Yeah, we'll do the server side check first. I will say loot chest manager get weld in add pause. We need to do it here. Something like that. So it registers it. And then, okay, we need to be able to test this out as well. So we need to go. Can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. Server get weld. Get entity weld. Get the word available. Returns. I mean, it returns the overweld. Can we do sender to get weld, maybe? Edit mode. If weld dot, sorry, boolean because boolean dot parse args 0. If edit, then we'll do loot chest manager get weld. Maybe actually not that. Set editing weld. Oh, we can just do that. On block destroyed by player. Cool, you don't even get an instance of the player. But I'm gonna guess don't need it really. Kind of silly, we don't get the player. had. We might have a, I don't know if we would. Okay, so that should hopefully make it look a bit more tidy. I'm going to need to drop out since it's late. See you later, Ocelot. Sorry, I didn't see your message earlier. Your icon is furry looking thing. Since when did Corsair buy Elgato? A while ago now. Actually, yeah, I read about that. They bought Elgato. But Corsair is a good company, so I trust that they're gonna do well. I mean, I got a Corsair mouse. Hello, Mr. Kovic, just got home from school. Yeah, what up, Coffee Cat? How you doing? Alright, did we register the command? No, we didn't. New command. Edit mode. We might also say and placer dot get dimension equals 0. Like we should only be able to get provider. How do I get the provider, get dimension? Yeah, there we go. Like, ensures that it's the overworld only. Like, the thing is, we're trying to, like, we're only developing for a specific use, and this is CUBG. Like, we're not developing this for anything else. Like, we're just developing this for CUBG only. Like, this is not, like, intended for, like, public use, really. So, alright, we're finally running the games. Can we get a pray for the first run of the day? A pray for the first run of the day, my dudes. I like Corsair. Yeah, they're nice. I like their mouses, I'm not gonna lie. They definitely had some nice looking mice. Sorry, not mouses. They have some nice looking mice. My chair is real squeaky. Woo! Not a normal chest, by the way. Oh no, it is a normal chest. Oh no, it's not. Dude, that looks fleeky, that one. That's like a golden chest right there. Alright. So, technically, what we should be able to do, let's just make sure it gets cooled. Alright, it definitely got cooled. So, we should be able to go edit loot chest false. Should get rid of it, but we should be able to do... Ah, there we go, cool. We forgot to save the facing though. Let's fix that up. Edit loot chests. Loot chest manager. With property facing. Get facing. we forgot to store the facing. How does that work then? Maybe like here? Set facing state dot get value facing. Is that how we do it? Let's see if it removes it now. Alright, definitely worked. So I should be able to go false now. True. Huh? Did that work properly? Right, let's try that. Is it like placing in the wrong direction? Oh, it's like placing in the opposite. What the heck? Why is it placing in the opposite? Let's have a look. South. North. What the heck? Why does it get placed in the opposite direction? Set facing. Oh, my guess is something to do with this. Whoopsie. Why is that? Do it wrong. Why does that do it wrong? Mr. Kovic living with NVIDIA. I found a cool website that gives you commands to give yourself custom heads. Yeah, I know about it already. It was like minecraftheads.com or something like that. Someone posted an issue on GitHub saying that the game crashed. They were using it in their mod pack, LeMayo. Is it like a... Was like a mod pack error? I only get 10 to 20 FPS without Optifine. So technically it should... Another mod was conflicting with CUBG editions. Oh. I don't know why it's not saving the direction. It's weird. Like, it's placing it in the opposite direction. Oh, maybe like placer.get horizontal facing. I think that's probably why. No, it's still placing it in the wrong direction. Why is it switching it around? So west. Oh, what the heck? That's weird. So like apparently it's when I place it down I'm facing north but it places it south. Ah, okay. So maybe we'll do something like that instead, just kind of hack it. Alright, there we go. So now we can do stuff. Let's try and... is there any like... does anybody know like a Minecraft loot table? Does anybody know like a Minecraft loot table? Minecraft loot table. How do we actually set it though? How do I actually set? Let's have a look. How do I set? I don't know chess. Ah, okay. End city. My concern is... no, I should update it. Because the same loot chest instance in here should be the same one that's inside of the tile entity. Let's go false, let's go... let's check. Okay, so it is definitely saving it still, which is good to know. So what's the problem? I want to test it. What do I gotta do to test it? Generate chests. Maybe something to do with this. sorry, loot table. Maybe we'll just create a separate method. We'll create another command. Because we're actually supposed to have another command to say generate. Probably do something like this maybe. Set loot table. Set loot table. Maybe we'll create I have like a method called public void reset. Then we'll say this stuff. Because how loot table works is like once it's generated, it sets this to null. So, because then it knows that it's already generated it. So we do something like that. So loot chest manager, we'll just say something like that. Is that all we need to do? We could. Oh yeah, good. That's fine, don't worry. Alright, that's fine. Alright, let's create another command. I need a package at this point. Also, I'm going to rename that because it doesn't make sense. Edit loot chests. And then we'll do a new command. Generate loot chests. Try Minecraft loot tables, chest, and city treasure. I think it was a mistake on the path. It's fine. I think it was something to do with me as well, because I don't actually have the loot table variable becoming well, the loot table thing was always null, so it wouldn't ever generate the loot tables. That's why I've got to update it with the one from the loot chest object. Why do we need obfuscate? Obfuscate provides methods that allow me to change the player model. So if you ever play the gun mod, you'll see that when you're holding when you're holding any gun in the mod, that it actually has custom arm positions. When you play the vehicle mod, you'll notice when you're driving vehicles that I have custom arm positions for everything. I've tested the loot table on the loot chests. I tested the loot table on the loot chest and it worked. But you got an old version of it. Oh, you did. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I know what you mean, don't worry. I know what you mean. So I think we just do loot loot chest manager get sender get entity world dot generate chests sender. We'll also maybe do something like this world. If world dot provider. Make sure it's the overworld. Again, we could do something like that in here as two. Just to stop it, and then we should be good. Alright, let's give it a shot. Also, the new update branch is pretty much the main branch now, since I put all branches into that branch and then build off of that. I would still build off the master. I always, like, I mean, this is I don't know what, the standards, I'm not entirely sure what the standards are. I don't know what the conventions are, but like, I always see branches as like, stuff you're working on, and then once you want to put it to release, you put it on the master. And like, always leave the master free, just in case you need to do like bug fixes or anything. Because yeah, I would, why are you avoiding the master branch? Like, the master should always be like the current version that's out right now. That's how I kind of see it. Like, it should always be the current version that's out. Alright. So we should now be able to have generate. Oh, we didn't register it. Dang it. Alright, there we go. I'll merge the new update branch into the master since it's been bug fixed. Okay. Yeah, I would do that too. Cray, will you ever do 1.13 modding like with the Trident or something? I can't yet, Forge isn't updated. Mum making me go to bed. I always say that as a joke, but when it actually happens on chat. Alright. So maybe it is wrong. So what was it? It was loot tables, chests, and city treasure. I'm pretty sure you don't need to put the loot tables because it already knows to look there. How do I do it? Yeah, it's chest entity treasure. Oh. Well, it's not even being called. Oh, is that even registered? I think it's because I closed the game off, it didn't save it. So let's try that again. So Minecraft, chests, and city treasure. That definitely got cold. Hey, whoa, dang. Is that really End City Treasure? I never knew it was that good. Oh man, imagine if you got that. And imagine if you got that too. Not bad, that one. A lot of mending. Oh wow. What's Sweeping Edge? Is that faster? Oh man, that was a bad one. That's not bad, that one. Beetroot seeds. The heck? Oh wow, that would be the worst one ever. Eh, not bad. Love of diamonds. Silk touch, not bad. Not bad. Hit a mob, it makes a slash, the slash bigger. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, is it like bigger? It feels like it's killing way quicker. Damn, that's pretty good. I've definitely not played Minecraft in a real minute. Like I play it, but I don't play it properly. Alright. Alright, not bad. Alrighty, so we should be able to do something like... Let's create like a loot. This is CUBG right here, guys. This is CUBG. So we'll place some chests around the town here. Pretend this is a CUBG map. Maybe there's one at the top here. One over here somewhere. One in here. Secret one there. Another one here. One there. Alrighty, so we should be able to go like edit loot chest to false, and it should get rid of all of them. But then we should be able to do true and summons them all back in. One thing that we haven't done is giving these their default loot chest tables, which are used for CUBG. So we'll have to look at that, fix that up. What is CUBG? It's basically like Battle Royale in Minecraft. It's got like, we've got like the best aspects of a lot of games. We've also got our own unique features out there. I know, the best aspects of the Battle Royale games out there, and we've also got our own unique features. So it's essentially like Minecraft's version of Battle Royale. Alright, so it seems like it's working. So what happens, so if we go false, and then we say generate loot chests, okay, so it should all be empty. Is there a way to highlight a block? Forge outline block. Also, I think like, let's have a look. I think by default, yeah, they already have like a required permission level. Glowing effect. It's definitely not a entity living. Render entity. I think it's actually like all the way here. Render outlines. Doesn't you gotta render outlines? Render shadow. Let me turn up the sound. Glowing. Let's have a look. Maybe like scope. It's probably called something else in code. Potion effects. Potion types. I don't know what it'd be called though. Yeah, what up, Sonny? You can't be a moderator, Lucas. You don't ask to become a moderator. You just become one. Yeah, I don't know how to display. There's nothing in terms of maybe like people search, maybe outline. Oh, whoopsie, there's a file mask. Maybe that will help. Glowing. It's a mob effect. Render global if entity is glowing. Okay, it's leading us. No! What's list 1? I set render outlines. Render global. And a render player. It's like a render living base. Here we go. Enable outline mode. So something like this, let's have a look. Int color. Fudge. Let's do 0 for now. We're still in game. I couldn't see there for a second. Could not see. Enable color material. Color white. Hey, I think it's working. Maybe. Hey, what the heck? Alright, what we're gonna do is, before we do that, we're gonna actually commit this. Take a look at the game of it. Oh no, it's a potion. How to become a sponsor? I wouldn't sponsor now, just because of stuff that might happen soon. Added. Added manager. Added I think we can say something. Let's have a look at this. Maybe like there's some things that I need to do. Do that. But then there's also like enable alpha. Kind of annoying. I know, I'm pretty sure you do that and then render again, don't you? Yeah, something like that. Is it like disabling the depth or something like that? Doesn't really matter what color. What the heck? Alright, let's leave that as that. Maybe like... Enable blend profile. What's flag? You should be able to mark the chest as edited when you see glowing it's red. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Why is that rendering like that? Alright, there we go. It's not supposed to render that bit in a different color. So we can see that you should as edited. Like, I can do something like just disable depth. Like, we can clearly see I know it like makes them look weird, but it does allow us to see them through. It does allow us to see them through the actual. But also might render the below first. And that will just make it look better. But we do need to make it so we can see them easier. Let's try this again. I'm just trying to disable the depth earlier. Like, that's what I want it to look like. We need to translate it. How do we translate it back? What's going to be the value to translate it back? Translating it back. How do I translate it back to be in the center? What would be the values for this? So if we scaled it up, what do I translate it first? I mean, it's not right, but it's not exactly right. Also, like, it's got weird lighting. Disable. I don't know what that is. Disable. Render. I think I need to enable lighting afterwards. How can I disable the lighting? Disable lighting. Enable lighting? Mr. Kovish, I dreamed that you were my father 4 days ago. Oh my god. Disable. Still getting weird color. It might be something to do with rendering it. It kind of look cool. How do I translate it properly? It's still not, the box still isn't translated correctly. probably aware of this, but there's a really weird bug in the furniture mod with the flat screen that occurs when you play a GIF on the TV and open the pause menu. What's wrong with the pause menu? Why are the other subscribers not here? Are they sleeping? Yeah, sleeping and YouTube sucks. How do I translate this back? Maybe it's just like geo something like that, translate. Definitely not that. How can I translate it back to the middle? He said YouTube sucks, demonetized. How can I translate it back to the center? I want to scale it. Hey, maybe I could do something like this. Translate. And then geostep manager, let me like translate. No! I'm still wrong. So if I was to say 2, right, then it has to be translated. Oh, that's weird. If I do it like that, then it means it has to go back. Not even that, 2.5. Like, yeah, that's centered there. What's that value then? That's 2. Is it like... this is a long shot, but... What is 0.5 divided by 1.5? It's not bad. No! How do I translate it back? I don't have Ocelot here. See you later, coffee. Yeah, so it does a weird thing where with the world like glitches, it changes the color of the world to the frame of the GIF. You're gonna need to send me submit it on GitHub. If you're reporting the bug here, I'm not gonna see it. Report at GitHub, send me screenshots. Otherwise, it's not going to get fixed. How do I translate that back? I don't know how to translate it back. I don't know what... Like, what is it? The scale. Let me think. I like the value too, just because it's double. And then, like, I know how to, like, this just seems easy, like, translate it back as negative 0 point. Like, and that's centered now. But I want it smaller, and I also need to disable the lighting. Don't know how I'm gonna do this. I hate Minecraft rendering. It's like disable lighting. Doesn't do anything. Does anybody know what the correlation is between the scale and the translate to get it back to center? Instead of disabling death, you could render the chest twice. Hold on. Instead of disabling depth, you could render a chest twice, one with normal... Oh my god, hold up, 2 seconds, my dad's calling me. Sorry about that. One's with a normal equals depth function and one with a greater depth function. But I'm just, I don't know. What happens if you do it on that? The thing is, if you do it on that, then it renders over it. Like, all I would do here is, like, if certain mode is true, then I would say disable depth. Like, we'll have a thing there soon, but like, that's all I need to do. I just need to be able to render the thing behind it. I know what that is, get rid of that. I'm just trying to figure out, how do I translate this back? I'm just like so confused right now. How do I translate this back so it's centered? Maybe it's translate. The opposite way. Okay, I think we found it. Cool, we found it. Alright, there we go. So now I can render an outline on that. That's what I want. But I also need a... I don't know how to fix up the lighting. I want to disable like the sky lighting. Forge, disable lighting. Is it like a render helper? Disable. And this is like disable. How do I disable? Is it like a something to do with this? How do I disable it? Maybe after. Like the lighting just doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Like it's still, like some things it works, and sometimes for this stuff where it's like in shade, it's like darker. Like I want it to all be like super duper bright. I want it to be super duper bright. The music stopped. Ah, come on. That's all I want to do, and then I'm done. Forge, disable, lighting. apparently there's like a... Here we go. Set light app disabled. Ah! Maybe we'll pop that into here. There we go, so now we can see all the chests that are around. Is that weird lighting? Is that just Minecraft, or is that something to do with me? Like, why is that? Why does the world go bright? Is that me, or is that Minecraft? Oh, what the heck? Let's get rid of that. Whoa, what the heck did I do? We wanted to do set that true. Wait, what did I do then? Do I not need to re-enable it? Let's have a look. Alright, so that's cool. Can we say Minecraft player get permissions level? Because we need to make sure that so that's what we should need to do. And then we need to create a way to maybe like private boolean render. Alright, not bad. I feel like it should be like a public static boolean render outlines. So that should allow us to control that, but we also need to have like a yeah, just I don't know. There's a lot of like, I don't know, there's so many ways to hack mods, and it's kind of like it's impossible to control, which is annoying. It's impossible to control. Did you get married? No. Far from that. Far from that. I need to get a girlfriend first. The feels. I need a girlfriend to get married. Alright, that's cool. I like that. So what does edit loop just do? Set editing. We could say to maybe would. I need a way to say to show it. I think level 4 is like OP. If permission levels more than 4. Alright, it's gonna be the last run, and I think I'm gonna end off the stream for today. VC after stream. Might be able to do a small one. Might be able to do a small one. Bum 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 bum. Alright, so there we go. So that's false at the moment, so it won't render, but... trying to figure out how to... Tempted to make it so if you're holding the container editor, then it would show it. Kinda like how if you hold a let's have a look at render tile entity barrier. Let's go to blocks. Alright, where's this used? Something to do with the rendering. Ah, here we go. Show barrier particles. What a weird way to do it. So we could do something like get player.get held item main hand get item instance of item edit value container editor. We'll do a boolean can show I think this is a better way to do it. That's cool. That's cool. What do you think about that? What do you guys think? Cool little way to show them. Yeah, what up, mate? But like the good thing about this is it means that you also need like there's also an extra level of you also need to be holding this item, which is you can't. I mean, you can. I don't know. If you had the mod, you could. If you made it edit, yeah, don't worry. But that's cool, I like that. It's funny it renders the outline here. Might be able to fix. I don't think I can fix that. Doesn't really matter too much though. Okay. Outline. Loot. If holding. If holding editor. There is one more thing that I want to do. Block loot chest here. I wanted to provide like a way to set the loot table straight away. But is Jackson still here? What are the loot tables for CUBG that we use? Private static class. Hold on. Okay. Loot table. Default. So I go a private int. Say resource. Probably gonna change that to an int R, int G, int B. GB. I love my GB. Alright, there we go. Crayfish unknowns. Okay. New loot table entry. Attachments, non-standard. What's non-standard again? Rare standard. Attachments, ammo. Oh yeah, sorry. Attachments, ammo. Rare. So that's rare. Maybe this one ammo. That can be ammo. That can be attachments. We need one. What color should we have for standard? What color should we have for standard? Suggestions available from everybody. But what one should we have for like for the standard? Why do we need so many? Oh. Red. Maybe like a glowing as well. False. Red or yellow? We've already got yellow. What color should we do? Because that would be ammo, attachments, rare. Should we just have like a brown? Or we could even have like a... What do you guys think? Block data. Oopsie. What is the color? Loot chest, hold up. Color. Hey, you should know that you'll be there by night. How come that color doesn't update? Block data. come my color's not updating? Oh, because the color's not, yeah, oopsie. The color's not represented like that for some reason. Oh, it's different now. It's loot chest. Color. My bad. What's a brown? Rare standard. What's 128? I'm gonna need to do an enter. GB2. I know 128 is like a grey, but I don't know what the grey is. Evaluate. Okay, yeah. That's cool, I like that. Oh, wait, hold up. Ammo is non-standard. I don't know why we changed that around. It just doesn't make sense. Why not just keep it as ammo? Alright, so we should have like an array. Loot table entries. Yeah. Get color. And maybe block entity tag set string loot table. Wait, that won't work, won't it? How did that work then?
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
We have to fix this up. Because this will instead be like NBT tag compound loot table. Unstability block entity set tag loot chest. Loot chest. Do that. Get chest texture. So yeah, this is where we need to do like NBT tag compound loot chest. Dot has do something like that. Do the same here. Hey, is it hard to learn to code, and when did you first learn? I started a very long time ago now. Very long time ago. Alright, so that should work. Is it crayfish unknowns or just crayfish unknown? Non-standard. Whoops. Is it crayfish unknowns or just crayfish unknown? I feel like it's crayfish unknowns. Okay, crayfish unknown. I'm guessing you double checked on the server. All the memories. Use those. Oh. Standard. Rare. I didn't realize you did different ones. Ammo. What about attachments? What about attachments? Did I do that right? Yeah. What about attachments? When we fix the server crash. It's fixed now, Andre. I just gotta push an update. Unless we leave the attachments as is. I wonder what these colors are. Which coding language is good for starters? Java. It's pretty easy to pick up. Because like Java's not as difficult as C++. Is that really the... Why isn't it glowing? Why is it just glowing? It should glow straight away. Loot chest from tag. It should glow straight away. Glowing 1B. Oh. So time to loot chest. Just glowing is false. Fudge. I think we need to do it here. Why do we need to do that? Unblock place by set color. Why is that good? Why is that load twice? So glowing is 1B, then glowing is 0B. Where the heck's this being called? Let's create a new world just so we have none. Attachments. Moose guys, how you doing? Alright, let's turn off breakpoints. So why is the glowing not get enabled? We shouldn't need to do that. What the heck? Is that normal Minecraft behavior? Don't worry. Why does it not get up? I don't understand. Like, it should already load up. Like, when you have the block entity tag. It should already just load it up from there. So, like, here. Apparently glowing is 0B. Let's try it again. This world server. Alright, so it looks like it's like a synchronization issue. So it sets that to false straight away. What happens when you put two different ones next to each other? Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't really work. Oh, it does work, but it's not like. Oh yeah, we have an issue. Why does that place it like that? It should be like item block. Like it should be calling this. I don't get why it doesn't. Like it should be glowing right now. Because the colors, the color's not working either. Keeps placing. Well, I don't understand why I've got to do it here. Like, why do I have to do it here? Maybe like the facing, yeah, but like the color should already be automatically loaded in. A rare species? There's a lot of them. There's a lot of Minecraft mod developers out there. Just none that stream like I do. Because I stream like almost, I don't know, every single day. Except for last week. Let's take a look at that. Okay, maybe there's something wrong with this, which I don't understand how. Do that after. Go here first and we'll say, so that's when it gets called there. So it gets called, it has the color, it's not glowing, it's the non-standard. I don't get it. It doesn't load it. It should be able to do it through the thing. So it's saying write to NBT first. Loot chest. So what side's this? Server. I don't get it. And then it reads in. Okay, so it sets the tile entity first, then it reads it. So that's why I did all that. I'm not going to be able to figure this out. This is stupid. So stupid. I don't know why it's not working now. I should be able to easily... Like, I don't know why I need this. Except for the facing, which is understandable. But, like, everything else... Why do I need to set the color through here when it automatically already loads in through the NBT tag on the item? Like, I don't understand that part. Like here, look. Clue set. I don't get why it does that now. Why is it all out of order? Why? Why does it do that? It should... It's so annoying. That one clearly doesn't have a tag. You know what it probably is? Did I just need to grab a new? No. Alright, I'm gonna pop that into there. I can do block data. Like, it does have the tag on it. It does have the tag on it, but it just doesn't... It doesn't work! Why? You stupid NBT tags. Why isn't it working like it was before? Like, I don't understand why in loot chest that I've got to set the color here. It doesn't make any sense why I've got to set the color there. So what's the loot chest when we're here? So what is... Like, why is this wrong? Are you sketching out playing the coding part before you're coding? It really depends on the situation. For this, no. Because how am I going to visualize... Because, like, the thing is, we're dealing with something else here. I'm very... Like, some people it helps to sketch it down, but sometimes I'm very just get straight into it and do it type thing. Like, I don't need that sort of help. Sometimes it's good to do. I do like use my whiteboard sometimes for like figuring out calculations because I need to visualize it. But besides that, I don't do any other sort of stuff. I just don't understand why I'm going to do the color here. I don't need to do that. Why do I need to do that? What about this tile entity dot read from NBT stack get? Why not just do that? That doesn't work. I don't understand why I'm gonna set the color through here. It doesn't make sense that I have to do that. Why? Why is it doing this now? My god, I literally did nothing. I literally did nothing. I don't understand why the color's got to be set through there. It doesn't make sense. Like, why does the color have to be set through here? Like, we do that right. I reckon it'll work now. Yeah, look, it works now because we set it through there. But like, that shouldn't happen, because like, you know, block chest. Block chest doesn't use anything like that to set it, you know. All it does is it reads in. All it does is reads in the NBT data. Doesn't make sense. Stack Overflow, you're not gonna find anything like this is like an edge case. There's gonna be no help in Stack Overflow, especially for Minecraft modding. And this is like a very specific issue with my mod only, so I'm the only one that knows about it. I don't understand why it decides to not use the loot table. So what happens if I do this? Does that mean that's going to be broken? So like, it doesn't even load the loot table. Ah, why do I gotta set it through here? It shouldn't have to do that. Whatever. Let's just say create a method. Let's just do that. And then we also can return. Maybe just need. Because I literally can't be bothered with trying to fix it up. Or figuring out why. Might have to restart the game. Why isn't it? I don't understand why it's not working. Could it be that additional things are being sent in read from MVT that shouldn't be when calling it, rather than setting color manually? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but it's just not, like, there's nothing else, like, being called inside of here. Like, I'm not doing anything, you know, when the reading is just reading in an NVT tag. I'm not saying send anything. Like, and this is using vanilla stuff as well. Now the color's not being... The color's not being set. Why is the color not working now? Color. It's because it's not an RGB. Might look into changing that. So from tag, if tag compound has key color, alright, there we go. I mean, that works now, but not particularly a favorite way of doing it. Let's say edit Luchas false. One must not go registered. Okay, so apparently the data's not being saved now. World save data not saving. Maybe I need to mark it as dirty. Loot chest manager, yeah, probably like this. That's my guess. Mark it as dirty. So it should save now. Uh-oh. No pointer exception. Oh. Well, we don't even save it. We don't even save it. I think I just needed my keyboard because so many ants are in it. Why is there ants in it? Alright, let's go loot chests for each. We need a NBT tag list. So also NBT tag compound. Loot chest gives new NBT tag compound. Already defined in the scope. Oh. Loot chest tag does set along, let's say pos. Set tag, I would say data. 2 tag. Set tag, say loot chests. Lol, you look like a hacker. I am hacking. C's code. Is this hacking? Is this hacking? Read from MBT. Alrighty. Clear. Pause like that, and then loot chest equals put. Alright, there we go. So that should now save. Let's test it out, and then that's gonna be a last run. Okay, I need to go ahead, get some food, because I'm hungry. And then, yeah, I gotta make a video as well, so there's that too. There's that too.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
Why aren't you using material for IntelliJ? Because I don't like it. Alright, so let's try this. Oh my god, can it stop giving me errors? Okay, it might have just been because... Alright, did that work? Oh, oopsie, forgot to do tag list append. My bad. Alright, there we go, cool. Perfect. Did we get some hype? It's working perfectly. Well, as we know of. As we know of. So I should be able to turn these off, and if I go false, then true, it shouldn't. Okay, cool. So yeah, see, it keeps the properties. Perfect. If the material theme actually looked like a Google material theme, I'd use it. I don't know if it'd be good, because like material theme is usually, there's a lot of padding around things. It's usually not designed to be small, but I don't know. I think it'd be too chunky. I got the system working. Alright. So what did we do? We'll say loot chests now fixed. Fixed data, fixed loot chests, not fixed added more data. Added. That's basically what we did. Added more. That's basically what we did. And then here we'll just say fixed loot chests, not saving. But this chest system, what did you do to your GitHub? What do you mean? Could you possibly make it so when a chest is edited, the glow changes color? But the changes are saved instantly. It's not like a pending. It's not like a pending update, but we can see. That might be useful because I know we would need it if we're going to be like editing.
They were blinded, tried to deny it.
I should really make it so if you close this and none of the values has changed, then it shouldn't send anything. This is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie though. I already have a good idea on how to replace chests. We can make all the armor stands glow. Something we should add to the edit mode function. Oh, that's a good way to do it. Make all the armor stands glow, and then we can easily just find them all and replace them. Trying to think what else we need to this. Why do loot chests disappear when edit mode is off? Because Jackson, how it's gonna work is chests will have like a chance to spawn. They'll have a chance to spawn. So like edit mode, but like you'll be able to like still place chests around, like add new ones, but like if we're going to like manage chests, we just need like, essentially these are just markers, almost. They're essentially just markers of where a chest may spawn. So we can like add in new chests, and it's just essentially a marker, but also it keeps that data of the chest as well. So this is like a, you know, this is a rare chest here, we can edit it and whatnot. And then when you get a false, it just hides all of them. But I would suggest having edit mode on if we're building as well. How are we going to make them reappear when in a game session? Generate loot chests. That's why I added it. Yeah, the edit loot chest thing is just like a way to is just a way to make them appear and disappear. Yeah, I've been working on it well. I've been working on it a lot. Like, it's like the edit loot chest command is just to disable, like, I should really change it around maybe to just like set visibility. Oh no. No, when you do edit mode, it will actually make sure all of them show, whereas if you were actually to run generate loot chests, that will actually like run the proper commands to spawn them, and there might be a chance that one of them doesn't spawn. I really want to add in like spawning, like proper chance of spawning type thing. Can you set the sniper back? What do you mean? Does it randomize already? So chests aren't randomized, as in like this won't ever be a different type. It will always be a rare chest at this spot. But I'll actually add in a chance property that, you know, maybe this won't spawn at all. But oh wow, look at that. Oh, it doesn't matter too much. Should still be able to see it through everything. What happens if you do put one underwater? Oh yeah, you can still see it. I was just scared you wouldn't be able to see it. What do they do? Show the whole feature? I did already. So these are used for CUBG only, and basically comes with like, I'm staff only by the way, so after the stream I'll be there to VC. I might end it off now anyway, so thank you guys for coming along to the stream today. Is there shoutouts? I'm doing Twitter shoutouts. I think I do Twitter shoutouts for this. No, a rifle? There is already a rifle. A colorful chest that contains goodies. Shout out to Shadow Kid Official. And then let's also have a look at the other people. Shout out to Jackson Plays, Captain Ahmed, Tyrell, Sordal, don't know how to say it really, Bunny Hopper, Alpha Think, Shadow Kid Official again, Samuel, Bishop Jack, Archie Wainwright, Stephanie Alves, Lolbit Games, Fabi50, Sky Zoru, Aura, and that is it. Thank you guys for your support. Shout out to that dog backer as well. Last minute retweet there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream today. If you haven't already, snap that like button right in half. And yeah, this is good. This is good. This is looking good. I like this. I like this loot chest system. I pushed the updates as well, Jackson, so you can check it out if you want. But yeah, I've got to add in chance of spawning, and then that's pretty much it for the loot chest system. Pretty much it for the loot chest system, so I'm pretty happy about that. But thank you guys for coming along. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.